So in the previous video we discussed about the structure of eye. Now the question is how it works. So let's understand about the working of human eye. Students, light coming from an object enter the eye through the cornea and the pupil. Then the lens focuses that the light ray to form a real inverted and highly diminished image on the retina. The sensory cells, rods or cone cells of the retina gets activated and generates electrical signals. Then optic nerve sends electrical signals to the brain and the brain interprets these signals and render the erect image of the objects. This is how the human eye works. Okay. Now next we are having the defects of eye. आपको पता है कुछ लोगों का पास का नहीं दिखाई देता, कुछ को दूर का नहीं दिखाई देता, किसी को धुंधला दिखाई देता है. So many defects are there in the human eye. Okay. The human eye can see nearby as well as distant objects clearly. The minimum distance an object can see clearly is 25 centimeter. Okay, but in some persons, students, some persons see nearby objects clearly but can't see the distant object. कुछ persons क्या होते हैं जो nearby objects को देख सकते हैं but can't see the distant objects. And this defect is called the myopia. Okay, इस defect को myopia कहते हैं. ठीक है. And this is corrected by using concave lens. Okay, concave with the help using spectacles with a concave lens we can treat this defect. Next we are having farsightedness, that is hypermetropia. In this defect, students, some object persons can see distant object but can't see the near object. दूर का दिखाई देता है पर पास का नहीं दिखाई देता. That defect is called hypermetropia. Okay, and this defect is can be treated with using a spectacle with convex lens. ठीक है, convex lens के spectacle से हम इसको क्या है ट्रीट कर सकते हैं. ओके, एक डिफेक्ट है बेटा हमारे पास कैटरैक्ट. अब कैटरैक्ट क्या होता है? In old age people cannot see clearly because the eye lens becomes cloudy. उनका eye lens क्या है, cloudy हो जाता है. And this defect is called cataract. It is corrected by removing the eye lens and replacing it with the artificial lens. तो इसको भी ऑपरेट करवा के ट्रीट करवाना पड़ता है. ओके, so the next we are having how can we take care of our eyes. Eye is a most delicate part of our body, so how can we take care of it? For that, if there is any problem of the eye, have a checkup and use suitable spectacles if advised. आपको अगर आई में कोई प्रॉब्लम है, don't treat it on your own, consult it with a specialist or have spectacles. Okay, too light and too much light is bad for your eyes because insufficient light causes eye strain and too much light causes can injure your retina. So read in a good light only. Okay, do not look at the sun or very bright objects directly because इससे क्या आपका रेटिना क्या है डैमेज हो सकता है, स्ट्रेन पड़ सकता है आपकी आईज पे. सो डोंट लुक at bright objects directly. If dust particle enter the eye, do not rub, wash your eye with a clean water. ओके, अगर आपकी आईज में कुछ चला गया तो आपको उसको पानी से धोना चाहिए. और ट्राई टू वॉश योर आईज डेली ट्वाइस अ डे विद कोल्ड वाटर. ओके, always read at normal distance. Do not read by keeping the book too close to the eyes or keeping it too far. Okay, deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness, so take food rich in vitamin A. Food rich in vitamin A are spinach, red carrot, broccoli, cod liver oil, eggs, milk, curd, cheese, butter, fruits such as papaya, mango. Okay, all these sources are rich in vitamin A. So next we are having the Braille system. Okay, which was given by the Louis Braille, that is the scientist. Okay, students, दो तरह के persons होते हैं, visually challenged person दो तरह से होते हैं. एक जिनका curable होता है, जिसकी blindness खत्म हो सकती है, एक होते हैं incurable. Okay, जो curable होते हैं उनमें क्या है, crystalline cell become opaque and removed surgically and replaced by an artificial cell. Okay, if cornea become opaque, it is removed surgically and it is placed. A healthy donated cornea from the eye of the donor is grafted. Okay, but some people are there who are not able to get such type of treatment, and also for them Braille made us language or a system to study. So Braille system क्या था? Visually challenged people can read book printed in Braille. Braille is a system of representing characters by raised dots. Combination of raised dots in a 6 dots cell make up different characters. Braille ने क्या system बनाया? उसने raised dots रखे, 3 different dots के different pattern थे और उनको उसके according ही teach किया गया so that they can study. Okay, the characteristics read by touching them with fingers. The system was invented by Louis Braille, okay, who lost his sight when he was a child. Book and periodicals are available in Braille for the visually challenged person. So auditory or non-auditory devices are there for the visually challenged persons. Visually challenged person may use talking equipment such as talking thermometers, talking watches, talking clocks, talking calculators, or talking compasses. Okay, computers they can use. Personal computers are available nowadays that are visually challenged friendly. Several softwares like Oralux and Adrenaline Knopics are developed especially for the visually challenged so that they can access information available on the internet. Okay, radio reading services even are there. There are over 100 radio reading services throughout the world that provide the visually challenged people with reading from periodicals over ratios. Okay, so many devices are made for the visually challenged persons. Okay, so this is all about the chapter, students. Hope the chapter is clear to you. So thank you and have a nice